connect with the cows. That's why we made this jerky. Our jerky is made of 100% plant-based ingredients, with lots of love and flavor, so you don't have to compromise your taste buds to let the cows come home. It's jerky all is produced right here in Texas, with flavors that represent the unique regions of our Lone Star State. Every time you purchase our delicious jerky, you're not only buying a snack that's good for your health and the environment, but you're also directly helping animals. A portion of all of our jerky proceeds goes to Rowdy Girl Sanctuary, Texas's own cattle ranch turned farm animal haven. Because of your decision to make the swap for a cruelty-free plant jerky instead of its meat counterpart, these cute critters can run free. Hit the road with one of our 3 flavors: prickly pear chipotle, black pepper and sea salt, or prickly pear teriyaki today, so we can let the cows come home.